Come on, pull a thrifty out of my ass.
Let's
please.
show some
Pull a
resistance.
thrifty.
Dude,
Thrifty,
what?
Anything. A thrifty,
You
anything,
lost.
anything would be good here.
I really though today would be different. We had a good start, then I remember they signed you. Why can't you do what FNS does? Why can't you give us wins? Why are you Oralus? I would ask why you're retired, but that answer is obvious. You have ruined EG.
Use that gun advantage to build up to a
Come on. You think I'm sitting down? Hell no, I'm not sitting down. I'm standing right back up.
It will be coming. One more round stands between Sentinels claiming their map pick.
Maybe when EG drops you, FNS can put in a word for you with G.
Somewhat similar rifles and an alt advantage for EG. Here it is. Second versus just lead.
Nice! Let's go! 4v5!
Nice!
After the break the horns as well, so Superman marked up. We'll have to at least respect that one with the horn.
Ryan, I genuinely hate you. How do you manage to jinx my favorite every time? EG was legit up 9-3 and now it's 12-10. Like, what is wrong with you? I highly suggest everyone to stop supporting Ryan because it's still bad luck. Like, bro, why Ryan, why?
I'm muting these donos, bro. Fuck these donos, bro. We're watching the game, bro. Seriously.
This guy, that dono was insane. That last dono's insane. Let's take a look at all the orgs Ryan has ruined.
Oh my god, look at that trip design to get second, bro. You gotta love it.
This guy is beautiful. Look at the guy. He thought he was gonna win. Exactly. This guy is.
Okay. Okay, that's pretty fucking funny. Yeah, this is legit Ryan, actually. This is not even EG, this is just Ryan.
Beautiful.
They're running into our setup.
Look at the guy. He thought he was gonna win. Exactly. This guy is beautiful.
Yeah. That is fucking crazy, man.